Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're searching for precise, reliable, and easy-to-use leveling tools, this video's for you. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best 360-degree laser levels, selected for their accuracy, visibility, features, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, all product links are in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DEWLT-D089LG. Looking for a job site-ready laser that sticks with you all day? The DEWALT DEWLT-D089LG laser level earns its spot as a go-to for pros who demand both reliability and pinpoint precision. Powered by the 12V Max lithium-ion platform, it offers solid runtime for demanding tasks. No more worries about downtime in the middle of a big project. DEWALT's green beam technology puts out clear lines far more visible than those of red lasers, making them easy to spot even in sunlit rooms or on busy construction sites. Accuracy is solid, with a plus or minus 3mm margin at 10 meters, helping you line up cabinet installations, drop ceilings, or tile layouts with confidence. Mounting is simple, with an integrated magnetic bracket and multiple thread options, letting you secure the level to metal beams, typical tripods, or other supports. Durable overmolded housing and IP65 water debris resistance safeguard the tool against knocks, drops, or job site dust. Number 2. Huepar B03CG 3D Laser Level. Need a do-it-all laser for complete room layouts or renovation work? The Huepar B03CG offers full 3-plane coverage, 1 horizontal 360-degree and 2 vertical 360-degree laser planes, delivering intersecting lines at nearly every angle you could want. That makes it perfect for construction, home remodels, or detailed interior decorating. Accuracy is tight, rated at plus a 1/9 inch at 33 feet, so everything from picture frames to partition walls ends up perfectly aligned. The bright green lasers remain sharp in daylight or brightly lit spaces, and quick mode switching lets you control 5 different laser combinations for flexible layouts. Power comes from a beefy 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, running up to 8 hours non-stop. Convenient Type-C charging means you can top it up from outlets, power banks, or laptops on site. Number 3. Takamine 4x360 Laser Level. For full room coverage that doesn't cut corners on accuracy, the Takamine 4x360-degree laser level is well worth a look. It projects 4 full 360-degree green laser planes, 2 horizontal, 2 vertical, resulting in 16 intersecting reference lines that quickly outline walls, floors, and ceilings. Whether you're framing interiors, laying tiles, or installing cabinetry, this kind of coverage lets you plan entire spaces with minimal effort. The Takamine uses sharp green laser units sourced from Japan, creating beams that are twice as visible as many red competitors, with up to 130 feet indoor range and plus or minus 1/9 inch accuracy. If you work outside, switch on pulse mode and pair with a receiver to boost your range to 200 feet. Mounting flexibility is a major highlight, including both 1/4 inch and 5/8 thread sizes, magnetic brackets, and a 360-degree rotating base. So poles, tripods, and walls all become fair game for setup. Number 4. WEIDDW 4D Laser Level. Prefer a streamlined tool for interior projects with added control? The WEIDDW 4D Laser Level stands out for its focus on indoor reliability and user-friendliness. With 2 replaceable batteries included, you won't worry about losing power mid-task. The remote control lets you launch or stop projections from up to 10 meters away, excellent for solo jobs or tricky layouts. Automatic leveling activates for up to 4 degrees of tilt, sounding an alarm if the angle's too steep, so mistakes get caught early. The slash mode enables angled projections for creative or custom work, perfect for decorating or tiling. While horizontal auto leveling switches off in this mode, you still gain major layout flexibility. Secondary safety lasers keep intensity under 1 MW for safe indoor use. Mounting is straightforward thanks to a tripod-compatible stand, and accuracy stays sharp as long as the mount is level. Outdoor visibility is limited unless paired with a receiver. Number 5. Alloyman 4D Laser Level. The Alloyman 4D Laser Level brings serious precision and flexibility to both professional and do-it-yourself projects. Its 4-line 360-degree system produces sharp horizontal and vertical reference lines with plus or minus 1 mm per 5 meters, so layouts are spot on even in tricky lighting or crowded sites. Self-leveling handles up to 3 degrees automatically, or switch to manual for tilting on sloped or uneven surfaces. The included 37.5-inch tripod and magnetic mount allow versatile placement, high or low, stationary or adjustable, as needed for maximum coverage. Remote controllers add convenience for hands-free operation across larger areas. Dual 4.0-volt lithium batteries deliver up to 12 hours of continuous use, so this tool keeps pace with the demands of extended jobs. The Alloyman projects bright lines up to 150 feet, making it ideal for big rooms, remodeling, or construction tasks needing clear, consistent reference points. And that wraps up our top 5 best 360-degree laser levels. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to HypeTech Picks, and turn on notifications for more top product picks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.